let's talk more about the wonders of mixing Tagalog enclitic particles featuring PALÀ. Kumusta po kayo? Welcome back. In the last 3 videos, I talked about the Tagalog enclitic particle PALÀ, which can be translated as I didn't realize, I just recently learned, I just recently discovered, I didn't expect, apparently, after all, again, it turns out, and I remembered. If you have missed any of them, you can check them out by using the links in the description box down below. In this video, I will talk about how mixing the enclitic particle PALÀ with other particles we have learned so far creates new meaning and adds texture to a Tagalog phrase or sentence. This is a big topic, so I am breaking this topic down into 3 videos, starting with this one, so that you are not overwhelmed. Huwag na nating patagalin. Let us not delay. Simulan na natin. Let's begin. But before we begin, please be mindful of 2 things. Number 1, enclitic particles are hard to translate directly to English and are highly dependent on context. The best that we can do is to approximate what they mean. Number 2, our examples are by no means extensive as the usage can be varied, but they are enough for you to get started in using these Tagalog enclitic particles to enrich your learning of Tagalog. Cool? Na pala, realizing something present or happening at the moment. Pa pala, realizing something is still or also happening at the moment. Lang pala, realizing something or an action to be of limited in scope. Na lang pala, suggesting or realizing something or an action since there's no other choice. Naman pala, realizing something or an action contrary to expectation. Na naman pala, realizing the repeat of something or an action. Kaya pala, realizing the reason for an action or situation. And kaya naman pala, realizing the reason for an action or situation, but with a little more emphasis. Please be reminded that these definitions are not exact, as translation may vary a bit depending on the context of a conversation. Throughout this video, I will be using some personal pronouns as the subject. Let's begin with the combination of the particles na and pala. Na pala, realizing something now. Here goes. Ako na. I'll go first. Let me do it. Ako na pala? It's me now? I didn't realize. Ako na pala. Oh, it's me now. I just realized. Ikaw na. It's your turn. You do it. Ikaw na pala? It's you now? I didn't realize. Ikaw na pala. Oh, it's you now. I just realized. Tayo na. It's our turn now. Let's do it now. Tayo na pala? It's us now? I didn't realize. Tayo na pala. Oh, it's us now. I just realized. Ayos ba? Did you get it? Substituting these personal pronouns with other pronouns will yield similar meanings. Now, let's move on to the next combination. But before we do that, please make sure that you are subscribed by clicking on the subscribe button and the bell notification button so you'll be updated of new videos. Alright? Now, let's do the combination of the particles pa and pala. Pa, pala. Realizing something is still present. Here goes. Ako pa. There's still me. Ako pa pala? There's still me? I didn't realize. Ako pa pala. Oh, there's still me, apparently. Ikaw pa. There's still you. Ikaw pa pala? There's still you? I didn't realize. Ikaw pa pala. Oh, there's still you, apparently. Tayo pa. There's still us. Tayo pa pala. There's still us? I didn't realize. Tayo pa pala. Oh, there's still us, apparently. So far, so good? I hope so. Now, the next combination are the particles lang and pala. Lang, pala. Realizing something to be of limited scope. Check this out. Ako lang. Just me. Ako lang pala. It's only me. I didn't realize. Ako lang pala. Oh, it's only me, apparently. Ikaw lang. Just you. Ikaw lang pala. It's only you. I didn't realize. Ikaw lang pala. Oh, it's only you, apparently. Tayo lang. Just us. Tayo lang pala. It's only us. I didn't realize. Tayo lang pala. Oh, it's only us, apparently. Ayos ba? Moving on to our next combination, which has three particles. Na, lang, pala. Na lang, pala. Suggesting or realizing a limited action now because there is no other choice. Listen to these. Ako na lang. It's just me for now. Let me do it. There's no other choice. Ako na lang pala. Apparently, it's just me for now because there's no one else. Ako na lang pala. Apparently, it's just me for now since there's no one else. Ikaw na lang. It's just you for now. You do it. There's no one else. Ikaw na lang pala. Apparently, it's just you for now because there's no one else. Ikaw na lang pala. Apparently, it's just you for now since there's no one else. Tayo na lang. It's us for now. Let's do it. There's no one else. Tayo na lang pala. Apparently, it's just us for now because there's no one else. Tayo na lang pala. Apparently, it's just us for now since there's no one else. Ayos. Next up is the combination of the particles naman and pala. Naman, pala. Realizing someone's turn now. Here goes. Ako naman. It's my turn. I've been waiting long enough. Ako naman pala. Apparently, it's my turn since I've waited long enough. Ikaw naman. It's your turn. Ikaw naman pala. Apparently, it's your turn since you've waited long enough. Tayo naman. It's our turn. Tayo naman pala. Apparently, it's our turn since we waited long enough. Cool? Our next combination is the trio of the particles na, naman, pala. Na, naman, pala. Realizing it's someone's turn again now. Have a listen. Ako na naman. It's me again. Ako na naman pala. It's me again. I didn't realize. Ako na naman pala. Apparently, it's me again. Ikaw na naman. It's you again. Ikaw na naman pala. It's you again. I didn't realize. Ikaw na naman pala. Apparently, it's you again. Tayo na naman. It's us again. Tayo na naman pala. It's us again. I didn't realize. Tayo na naman pala. Apparently, it's us again. I didn't realize. Ayos ba? If you're enjoying this video so far, please hit the like button because that will help in growing this channel. All right? Now, moving on to our next combination. The particles kaya and pala. Kaya, pala. Realizing the reason for an action. Here goes. Kaya, pala. the reason why, or that's why. Kaya pala ako ganito. So that's why I'm like this. Kaya pala siya nagalit. So that's why he or she was mad. Kaya pala tayo hindi nagkita. So that's why we didn't see each other. Kaya pala kami nalito. So that's why we were confused. Kaya pala sila natuwa. So that's why they were happy. Kaya ka pala nagluluto. So that's why you are cooking. Kaya ka pala naglalasing. So that's why you are drinking to get drunk. Kaya ka pala aalis. So that's why you will leave. Kaya ka pala uuwi. So that's why you will go home. Like what we have learned in previous videos, the second person singular pronoun ka is placed ahead of the particle. It is the only pronoun placed in this position. If you haven't noticed, the phrase kaya pala is the Tagalog of the English phrase that's why. Now, you can insert another particle to this phrase creating kaya naman pala. It will mean the same thing, but it makes the sentence a little more emphatic. Kaya pala. That's why. Kaya naman pala. So that's why. Ayos? That's about it for now. I hope our examples gave you a flavor of how combining pala with other particles increases the texture and expands the meaning of a phrase or sentence in Tagalog. There are more examples out there and we will cover those in the next videos. Be sure to catch those. I will see you again. Maraming salamat po at hanggang sa susunod.